Anything?
Nope, still sane.
Okay, well, just tell me when you're driven so crazy with the water torture that you want to confess.
To what?
Okay, I don't want to sound like a know-it-all, but...
It's a little too late for that, Dino.
Ah, smack! I was just gonna say that!
R.D. hard.
Bone!
But this is unprovoked torture and kidnapping. It's completely against guild procedure. The Monarch could get in big trouble for this.
Do you see the Monarch around? I don't. Dean, this is about me and the murder of my best friend.
Your friend was murdered?
Duh! You don't remember a car blowing up in your yard? Killing my only friend?
Oh, wasn't that the same day that 100 gooey copies of me and my brother were mowed down by a lunatic in a spinning laser suit? And the day that my best friend Brock left us forever? Oh, how could I forget one of like a million guys who died on my lawn?
Yeah, and that happened a pretty long time ago. Why are you doing this now?
After that happened, I was devastated. I buried most of what I could find of 24. And with him, I buried my dreams.
Company! Fire! Fire!
I couldn't go on being a henchman. Nothing made sense with 24 gone. So I went back to my life before I was 21. I went back to being...
Gary!
What?
Keep it down in there!
Mom, I'm podcasting my life story. This is important.
Well, be important quietly.
Okay, fine. Jeez. This was no ordinary 8th grade Washington trip. This was the day that I was to be stolen into the life of a henchman.
Gary!
Mom! But there was nothing for me there. I knew my purpose was to make 24's death mean something. I knew that I had to become not only a henchman, but a leader of henchmen. I trained myself in the mystic arts.
Lightning bolt! Lightning bolt! Lightning bolt!
And
Sweet spell!
in the fighting arts.
Hey, that's not...
My body became a muscled, killing machine.
Well, don't go crazy.
Well, you should have seen it before.
I did, like a million times.
Anyway, Hank, I was ready to rejoin my old unit. And under my tutelage, that unit became the most feared henchman ever to don the wings. I vowed never again will we lose a man to my cowardice. Oh my God, I did it. It was me. I killed 24.
We all did, Gary. We all did.
Don't blame me, I didn't. And you seriously gotta untie me, or you're gonna have to scratch my hiney. Because my hiney totally itches.